Hi guys, and welcome to another video of my outdoor series. In this video we are going to talk about a fishing kit, and in particular a ready to use fishing kit. This is nothing new, but this is my take on it, and this will make for a very nice addition to your kit if you're going for a hike near a pond or another water body. Okay, so let's get into the contents of this fishing kit. For the base I used a toothbrush tube that is meant for traveling to store your toothbrush in, and this acts as the base and as storage for our floaters and everything we need for fishing. I don't know if you can see this, but there are actually two drainage holes in the tube, standard, that I used to, underneath this electrical tape, that I used to tie the end of my line to. Then I wrapped it with electrical tape, and I actually wrapped the whole 100 meters of line around this tube. And after I did about 80 meters, I wrapped it again with electrical tape, because that is something we are going to use as spare line if this ever gets broken. So we don't need it right away, and it won't get entangled or anything else. It is just neatly stored away. Then the last part I wrapped around, but I didn't tape it, so this is ready to cast. And after I finished it, I just put the the bicycle inner tubing over it, so everything is nicely stored away, neat, and this prevents it from, it protects the fishing line, it prevents it from getting caught in your pack, it is anti-entangling, and it makes the tube waterproof, which is a nice feature, because now you can store bait that has to stay dry in order not to go bad. So, without further ado, the inside of this tube. Here we have the contents, and I want to do this carefully. On the one side we have a hook. In reality you want to carry a bit more, but just to keep this video simple I only have one. But you want multiple hooks with extra underline, and it's stored in here. These are lead balls to make the underline a bit heavier, so the hook sinks, and I wrapped it with electrical tape to make this harder to lose and make everything stay nicely together. At the other side we have bait, and we have the floater, as well as the underline attached with some lead balls already, and a hook that is poked into a piece of cardboard which I wrapped around with electrical tape, so this won't get entangled while we travel. Inside this tube, and as you can see, I have a lot of bait, and I also have this little fun thing. This is a glow stick that you put on the end of your floater if you want to fish at night, so you can break this and then you will see what the floater does when there is no sunlight. But that is of course optional, a fun thing to add to the kit. And the way you store everything is you just put it in, hop, put the floater back in, and you can stuff this to your needs. You can use more bait, you can add more hooks. Oh, one escaped. Oh well. And it closes back up like this. So, let's go fishing.